So, this is my Elgin lathe, turret lathe, and this is the drive system. I want to kind of go over it a little bit for you, Bart, because I want to make some changes to it. This is a drive motor, obviously. Belt comes up, and into this snowmobile automatic switching belt system menagerie goes in the side, down, across, up, over, and then up to the main, whatever you want to call it. I know it's more than that, but anyway. So this thing's kind of all broken, and I've got this bracket holding this thing together. That's the speed adjustment thing. It pushes over and does what it does. And over on this guy, I've got another wheel, which is getting pretty well ate up, holding that shaft in. The bearings are actually not in too bad a place. There's two saddles there. So what I was proposing was to get rid of all this stuff until I get some kind of automatic turning machine, which has been one of my long projects not getting done, and just go straight from the motor, go up, across, and up. So all we would have to do, I believe, is put a couple of bearings in here and get rid of all that other stuff and just get the right RPM set. I don't need to change RPMs. One speed's just fine. Anyway, to keep this video short, we're just going to run it and kind of show you what it's doing and sounds like. We got just high, low, forward, and reverse. Switches gears just fine from forward to reverse. There's actually switching directions, and I don't see any reason why we couldn't just go with a straight setup across there. That would sure keep me, it would sure keep me online. Because right now I got 300 rods and it took quite a while to get. I need to get this thing fixed. So I'm going to send you this video and look it over and see if what I've suggested, if you think that that'll work. Please, thank you, Bart.